Hi, my name is Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager for the Cloud Ecosystem and a Social Business Evangelist. And welcome to our Coffee Break series. Today I'm going to do 5 megatrends that I think really matter for entrepreneurs and developers around the world. And those megatrends are, one is cloud, that we'll talk about a little bit more. Everyone's moving to the cloud. It gives you such amazing flexibility, both in your business model, but also if you're an entrepreneur. You know, in the past, when you got funding, you had to spend it on infrastructure. Now with the cloud, you can take that funding and spend it on your great idea and have that pay-as-you-go cloud-based model. Our second big megatrend is around analytics. You know, you might have a lot of data out there, but if you don't have the analytics to analyze the data, you won't be successful. So you've got to make sure that you're analyzing that data for insight and predicting the future. Our next megatrend is around mobile, and yes, I know we've been talking about mobile for a long time, but those mobile devices and the new apps that are coming for them are really disruptive and a megatrend in what we're seeing in the marketplace. The next is around social, and social media has now become social business. It's pervading every business, and it's being embedded in every business process. And then last but not least is around security. That whole security area today, with everything that's happening with major enterprises and hacking, has become definite megatrend that you must check out before you even use any of the cloud analytics, mobile or social. You require security to go along with that. Now, if you think about it, there's lots of great examples in these areas. So if you think about the cloud, Insight Robotics, who was the Smart Cloud winner overall, they were the Entrepreneur of the Year. They're doing all that they can to help prevent forest fires using the cloud. Yes, they do use some of the IoT, Internet of Things, thermal imaging, but what they do is they allow firefighters to locate a forest fire quickly, giving them a jump at getting that fire out before it spreads too much. Their solution is precise, and it spots fires in as small of an area as 2 meters within a 5-kilometer radius. It's awesome. Check out how they're using cloud to disrupt and this amazing mega trend. Now we also talk about analytics, and if you think about analytics is also this hot area. But because utilities lose between 6 and 20% of their electricity that they produce because of problems in their line, the losses are passed on to consumers. So EGM, it's an electrical grid management system and analytics program that can help utilities rescue their power before it gets lost. What does that do? It keeps the prices down. So by using these analytics from sensors, which are placed just a few dozen meters away from each other, they gather the data that's happening in real time, either above ground or below ground. Then from that data, they analyze it, the key, right? And they send that out and display it on a great dashboard that shows real-time information so that these electrical grid managers can look at the value measurements, the frequencies, and really preserve that leakage in electricity. Now, the third megatrend we talked about was mobile. And a great example for mobile is Chaotic Moon Studios. It's an American mobile software design and development studio that's based in one of my favorite states, Austin, Texas. So what does Chaotic Moon Studios do? Well, they produce everything from brainstorming and strategy to development and publishing and manage an entire mobile presence for some of the world's largest brands. They use Bluemix, which is cloud, so combining the megatrends to make a very intuitive way to perform tasks and complete projects. In fact, their connection rate between key technology teams and hundreds of documents to help them help their clients has delivered a 20% improvement by using the Bluemix solution. Now if we move on to our fourth megatrend, which is around social, I want to highlight a great example about Mutual Mind. Now, Mutual Mind was founded with a vision of transforming social intelligence. I love this solution because it's so easy to use, and it's first to market with a unique listening approach. They've created this great social engagement center. It's used by Castro and many others. It's really a high-definition, real-time social data visualization. Using Watson and this personality insight as well, they can detect social demand. Truly amazing. And then last but not least, we talked about security. And if you think about security, PreventaMed is a specialized provider of healthcare services, and they focus in on occupational and flight medicine. So they provide direct care and track health information to support government compliance for licensing of specialized occupations. They've really done a lot with working with IBM, and the solution that they've developed is resilient, it's security-rich architecture, and it doubles performance and better protects medical records, which are so important to us, from external threats, including local disasters and global hackers. Now, hopefully these mega trends have really resonated with you. Our nickname for them inside of IBM is CAMS, Cloud, Analytics, Mobile, Social, and Security. Hopefully these mega trends will add value to you and your business. My name is Sandy Carter, and this has been our Coffee Break.